Hello and welcome to this Windows Laravel install using Composer. In my previous videos, we installed PHP and Composer in Windows. So go ahead and check out those videos as you will need PHP and Composer. We're just going to check our Composer install here by typing Composer-V at the command prompt just to make sure everything is still working. So it looks like Composer is ready to go. So what I'm going to do is create a new directory to store our Laravel projects in called Laravel. So I'm just going to clear the screen and make a new directory called Laravel. And then we will change into that directory and run our Composer create project command to install Laravel. I'm going to give the project a name of my-app, and you can choose whichever name that you wish. So we see here we have an error, and the highlighted yellow area is telling us that we're missing a PHP extension in the INI file. So I'm going to go ahead and enable that extension. It's the zip extension. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I will show you the PHP INI file. So we're going to try the install again. And this error here is caused by another missing extension in the PHP INI file. This time it's the file info extension. So you can see at the bottom of this error message, you can find out where your PHP INI file is located by typing PHP --ini at the command prompt. And then you can move into that directory, find your PHP INI file, open it up, and edit the file to fix those errors. I've gone ahead and fixed the error, so let's try running the Composer create project command again and see what happens. So this error here is caused by the fact that we already have a folder called my app with files in it. So just to save some time, I'm going to change the name of the application to my-new-app, and that will install Laravel in a new folder. So as you can see, Laravel is installing all of its dependencies. And once we get closer to the end, Laravel or Composer will create an autoload file, and we'll be ready to check out our new Laravel installation. So I'm going to change into the directory that was just created for the application called my-new-app. And we will run a server and see if our application is running. So just run the PHP artisan serve command, and that will start a server on port 8000. You can copy and paste the URL into your browser. And once you've pasted it into your browser, you should see Laravel's welcome page. So you now have Laravel installed. If you want to stick around for a bit more, I will show you the PHP INI file, and we'll search for the missing extensions that caused our errors earlier. So I'm just going to search for the zip file. And you can see the extension. I've already enabled it in my INI file by removing the semicolon. So it's as easy as removing the semicolon, and then the other extension is file info up here, which I had already enabled. So it's as easy as that. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will be bringing you more web development content soon.